this is a solution to the Java MOOC course Java Programming first part, programming exercise 5.9 named Health Station. Now, in the exercise base, there is a class person, which we are already quite familiar with because in the previous problems as well and in the theoretical section of this very MOOC course, also we encountered a lot of person class that gives us the name, age, height, and weight, right? Now, there is also an outline for the class Health Station. Health Station objects process people in different ways. They, example, weigh and feed people. In this exercise, we will construct a health station. The code of the person class should not be modified in this exercise. Note this. We are not allowed to make any changes to the person class. Now, the part 1 says weighing people. In the outline of the health station, there is an outline for the method weigh. So this is a method, public int weigh. The name of the method is weigh with a return type of integer. But this method takes object as the parameter. So this is the theoretical part following object as a method parameter. So we are using object as the parameter for the method weigh here. So this method receives a person as a parameter. Now person is object of type class person, and it is meant to return to its caller the weight of that person. So we have to return the weight of the person, right? The weight information can be found by calling a suitable method of the person. So we'll look into the person class and see what it has to offer. So your task is to complete the code of the method. So now let's just see what the main method does. So first of all, a children hospital object is made for the class health station, right? Then there are two objects, Ethan and Peter, of the class person, and we are printing out the name of the person and a weight and children hospital.weigh. This is the very method that we have here. So we are using this method to get the weight. So all it has to do is return us the weight. Now let's move on to the solution and let's look at the person class. So a person class here has a name, age, height, and weight, and there's a constructor to initialize this variables. There's a print person, grow older, set height, get height. Okay, so get name, get weight. Okay, this is the method that we're looking for. So this returns us the weight of the person. So let's go into our health station. So instead of returning this, all we have to do is use person dot get weight, right? Now let's move on to our main Java and let's copy this code out and see if we are getting the desired outputs or not. And let's give them a space, right? Okay, now let's try and run this code. And yes, there we have it. Ethan weighs 7 kilos and Peter weighs 85 kilos. Now continue with the second part. It says feeding. It is possible to modify the state of the object that is received as a parameter. So all it says is we are now able to modify the state of the object. The object that we have been receiving is person. So it says that it is possible to change the state of this very object, right? And we need to write a method called public void feed that takes person as a parameter. So it takes object as a parameter, right, for the health station. Health station is our class, so we need to create a method public void feed. It should increase the weight of the parameter person by 1. So all it does is increase the weight of the person by 1. So following an example, it says upon feeding Ethan, the weight of Ethan is 7 kilos, right? Upon feeding Ethan, we'll have the weight of Ethan increased by 1, 2, and 3. So 7 will be increased to 10. That's our output right here. Okay, so in order to do that, let's create a method in our health station and name it public void feed. And that takes our person as a parameter. So all it does is increase the weight, right? So person dot, so getting weight, so let's go here, so we can set weight here, right? So set weight is a public method, so it can be accessed outside the class as well, right? So we are going to access this method and increase the weight, but this takes a parameter of int weight. So how are we supposed to get that? We are able to get that by passing this value as this value increased by 1. Let's check it out. Let's see if we are able to do that or not. Person dot set weight, I guess, right? Set weight, yes. Set weight, right? And all it does is it takes a parameter, and parameter is this parameter, and that value is given us by this very method right here. So person dot get weight, and this weight here, as we can see, is of type integer, that is of the primitive type of data. So we are allowed to do arithmetic operations in such data types, right? So +1, and let's see if we get the desired output or not. So we have been provided with this code right here, so I'm just going to use it to test our code. Go to our main Java, right? First of all, let's comment out the section and let's write this code, and let's try to run this code. So what happens now? As you can see, Ethan's weight must be increased by 3 kilos because we have feed Ethan 3 times. We have fed Ethan 3 times, right? So 7 has been increased to 10. That's done. Now let's move on to the third part. So counting weighings. So we need to create a new method called public int weighings. Integer type must be returned from the method weighings for the health station. So first of all, let's create that object. It's named public int IGHINGS weighings, right? Weighings. It should tell how many weighings the health station has performed. There's a note: you will need a new object variable for counting the number of weighings. So here the method has been called once, twice, and then 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 6 times, right? It's a total of 6 times, and it's been printed at the very beginning after 2 weighings have been performed and after 6 weighings have been performed. So we are getting the respective output as well. So in order to do that, let's just create a private int weighings, right? And in constructor, let's just initialize this dot weighings is equals to 0, right? Now all this does is every time this method is called, we have to increase the value of this dot weighings equals to this dot weighings plus 1. Is that all we have to do? Yeah. So let's try and run this code as well. Let's see. Oh, no, wait. What happens here is we are supposed to return integer type of variable, so wings. So there's a method that we have just created, but the method is named way. So let's go in here. So there must be another method called way here. Yeah, we can see here. So every time this method is called, what we are supposed to do is increase this. Not right here. I'm sorry. That's my bad. I'm sorry. We need to increase here, but we need to return wings in here. So that solves our problem. Yes. Okay. Now let's go into our main Java program and let's comment this section as well. After that, let's copy the codes that we've been given here for testing out our wings section, and let's just run it out. Yeah, so this is our desired output and we're getting it. So we have been able to solve all the 3 problems, right? All of them have been solved. Now let's try and submit it. Let's see if we get any errors or not. And as you can see, all tests have passed on the server. If there are any questions, you can ask down in the comment section. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the other solution.